I'm videotaping. Here, Mama, you want to videotape and I take pictures?
Hey, it's about to flood tonight.
Dude, I know.
I love it when our street floods.
So do we.
Yes. Oh, bad.
Oh yeah, hey, last time it flooded up to the porch.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
exactly what we're
It was a little wet.
The wind is really strong. Maybe it's some tornado time.
Please don't let my stuff fall.
Okay.
Hey, bro, come hold the ball. I mean, the goal while I'm picking.
Anthony! The chair broke on Mom! The chair broke on Mom!
I'm actually pretty comfortable.
Do you need help? You need help?
No, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm comfortable. Fuck it. I'm comfortable. I'm gonna keep taking pictures.
All right, ready? I got the rock.
But when I do need help, I need your help.
Just put the rock in front of the fence, in front of the.
Make sure you set it in front of the gate.
Yeah, the gate, not that gate, but you know the door to the gate. Yep.
Yeah, you ugly shotgun dog.
Gavin, come look.
I got a lot of good ones on my video.